Hi, my name is Josephine and these are my creatures. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a very exciting one because I am going to be unboxing a doll from Dragetarr. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. I do think it's pronounced Dragetarr. They make dragon dolls, so I am beyond excited to be unboxing their Salvador doll. So, without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, as you saw, the box is really nice. I do really like it. I like the green color. I did my eyeshadow today to match it, so that's how much I like it. And then we have some gorgeous gold foiling on multiple sides of the box, and they have their logo, and here's a picture of the doll on the front, and let's open it. I'm presuming that this is where the doll is. I was worried that they were going to ship it to me unstringed because this is a BJD style of a doll, and I am not particularly well versed in BJDs, so I am happy that what I can feel through the pouch is a stringed doll, so I don't have to string this doll immediately. So let's undo these ribbons. Okay, here it is. Okay, we have one more string to go. Here it is. Now, a word about how I got to receive this doll in the first place. I didn't pay for it. This was PR. This was sent to me. I didn't pay for it, but I am very excited to be working with it. It's really pretty. So here it is. This is their Salvador doll, and this is made out of nylon. So it's not resin, it's not porcelain. It's very, very durable, and it's magnificent. And what's cool about these dolls is that they are meant to be customized, so that's why they come with you completely blank. You can create whatever type of dragon you would like. I am super excited. I am not sure if I'm going to be posting this video as a separate unboxing or is it going to be a part of a repaint video, but I will be repainting Salvador and I have no idea what I'm gonna do with him. I was kind of waiting until I had the doll in my hands, and usually like the ideas just come to me when I'm holding the doll. So we will see what I'm going to do with this little thing. One neat thing again about the Salvador doll is that you can get this base doll that has these tiny wings, or you can get the pedal wing version that has really big kind of 3 petal shaped wings if you would like a larger wing, or you can just create bigger wings for your doll if you would like. So I think we might have had, yes, we have something else in this pouch too, which has their sticker on it that has dragons, obviously, because this is a dragon BJD company. Okay, we have some extra string and extra bits and bobs. We have some wire to help you string the doll. And then they have a little bit piece of adhesive. The doll stands on its own, but just to make sure that it doesn't fall over, you can use the adhesive that they provided to stick it to your shelf or your table when you're displaying it, which is kind of nice because I'm always worried that my cat is going to come in to my doll room and just knock everything over, which he has done several times, and he has broken something which I've then had to fix. Then you have the certificate of authenticity. This is very important. Number of the doll. So my doll is 23, and we have a serial number and a date and the signature of the artist, which is Petra, and she's also Finnish, as am I. So it was very exciting to be working with a Finnish brand, as I am a Finnish person myself too. And you have a really pretty wax seal. I really like wax seals, they make me feel fancy. And then we have just a brochure telling you all the information that you would need and all their contact information and everything. Yeah, so that's the doll. So I hope you enjoyed today's video, and don't forget to subscribe and maybe follow Dragetarr on their Instagram, and go check out their website if you are interested. I will not make any money from the purchases that you do or do not choose to make through my links. This is just, they were just so kind enough to send me a doll completely for free, and I am completely allowed to do whatever I want with it, and I will be customizing it, so do stay tuned and wait for that video. Or if I'm choosing to put this into the repaint video, yeah, keep on watching and you will see what I will be turning Salvador into. Okay guys, I hope you have a lovely, wonderful day, and I will see you very, very soon. Bye!